let's go ahead and let's check out Blanca's shop here. And she's got Blanquita's creates gifts. All right, so Blanca Hernandez, she's making some pretty wreaths. And this one, man, look at this thing. This is a wagon wheel wreath. And I love it, Blanca. I remember a little while ago when you must have been paying attention when I was talking about the woman that holds up her product and smiles nicely. I don't know if you got that idea from here, but we were talking about that a few weeks ago. Awesome. You took my advice. So I'd love to know how it works out, but great job on this one here. And you know what else? I like that you're wearing all this red because red is a strong, bold color and it's going to grab people's attention. So great job on that. So let's see what it looks like from your search over here. And you are welcome, Christy, of course. Okay, so on the search results, it looks like it's getting a little bit, it's still not quite showing your face. And I think that was kind of the point of it, was to try and get your face in there. So I think you've got enough, interesting, the wreath is getting shown enough that I would just recommend cropping it down a little bit so that we can see your face, kind of like this photo right here. And I see this, your Charo Traje Mariachi. Okay, very beautiful, very cool. So on this one, yeah, I would just recommend moving it down a little bit. So obviously we can see your whole beautiful face there and we can get a better idea of what your product is all about. So that would be nice. Now, looks like this one looks like you were holding it too, but I can't, I just see you kind of buried in the back there. So that one, I think you had an opportunity there as well. I love the wreath, really cool. Yeah, that one looks nice. I like the pink cowboy boots. Farmhouse wreath, it's a good keyword. Western wreath, good keyword there. Gifts for her, front door decor, country wreath, front door. So you've got all good keywords there, and I think you're doing a great job. I think this it looks good, and it's smart in getting the Christmas one out as well. So let's check this one out real quick. Wagon wheel wreath, and let's see what kind of results you got here. Wagon wheel wreath, 551 results. There you are, popping up. So I think you've got a great opportunity to capitalize on this product. Yours really stands out here. You know, your photo's got a lot of color, a lot going on. I think you got a great opportunity. Your product looks really pretty. So yeah, let us know how it goes with, adjusting that photo a little bit. And you could even take it and kind of, you could even duplicate this listing and hit a few different keywords, you could duplicate it for different images. Like this one, I think is a good image and it could kind of stand out. This one looks pretty good. If you cropped it a little bit closer, I think it could look really nice. And let's see here. That one's a little harder to pull together because the background just has so much going on. But I think you knocked it out of the park with this one right here, and I'm excited to see your results. So thanks for sending that in. I'm excited to see that. It's cool to see somebody actually go out there and try a new idea kind of like that. So that's cool to see.